Which of the following is not major reason for an email bounce? Option D is correct. Domain server is down. Which of the following is Mozilla Firefox? Option B is correct. Web browser. From the following personalities, indicate the one who has represented Pakistan at the United Nations representative. Option B is correct. Patrice Buhari. Ronaldo is Brazilian retired professional player of. Option C is correct. Football. Which part of the computer is called brain of the computer? Option B is correct. Central processing unit, CPU जिसे कहते हैं. Which one of the following is most powerful computer? Option B is correct. Supercomputer. In Microsoft Excel, the intersection of column and row is called. Option C is correct. Cell. In computing, MB stand for. Option B is correct. Megabytes. Harare is the capital of. Option E is correct. Zimbabwe. Harare Zimbabwe का दारुल हुकूमत है. When was the first session of First Constituent Assembly of Pakistan held? Option D is correct. None of these. Headquarters of World Trade Organization is located in. Option B is correct. Geneva. Aslam is senior dash to me. Option B is correct. To me. The smallest memory unit of computer is. Option D is correct. Bit. What is an isthmus? Option C is correct. Narrow strip of land connecting two land masses. DOS cannot retrieve any data from a disk if a computer virus corrupt it. Option A is correct. Directory area 1 9 25 49. ये सीक्वेंस है. 49 के बाद कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. 81. What is unsolicited bulk email known as? Option B is correct. Spam. The first woman to fly to space was. Option B is correct. Valentina. The dash program compresses large file into a smaller file. Option A is correct. WinZip. Who was the Pakistan first foreign minister? पाकिस्तान का पहला फॉरेन मिनिस्टर कौन था? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. सर जफरुल्लाह खान. In internet terminology, IP stand for. Option A is correct. Internet protocol. Which team won the first Pakistan Super League 2019? 2019 में पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग किस टीम ने जीती? Option A is correct. Quetta Gladiators. Nal Gaj Dam is being constructed in which province of Pakistan? Option B is correct. Sindh. In computer science, half-byte is also known as. Option C is correct. Nimble. World Wide Web is being standardized by. Option B is correct. W3C. Muslim League delegation at Simla Conference included. Option D is correct. Jinnah, Liaquat and Nizamuddin. When typing character search criteria, Excel match field based on. Option C is correct. Spelling. Which one of the following is not a research engine? Option C is correct. Windows सर्च इंजन नहीं है. इसके अलावा गूगल, MSN और याहू ये तीनों सर्च इंजन है. Change the narration. He said to me, keep quiet and listen to me. Option D is correct. He interpreted me that I should keep quiet and listen to the voice. The police force was first set up to maintain law and order in Islamic State during the Caliphate of. Option B is correct. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. ROM stand for. Option A is correct. Read only memory. Of the following, which one is the military alliance? Option B is correct. NATO military alliance है. The largest ocean of the world is. Option B is correct. Pacific ocean दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ओशन है. Who is current speaker Province Assembly of Singh? Option C is correct. Agha Siraj Durrani. Who is the youngest person in Pakistan to receive Nishani-Haider? पाकिस्तान के किस सबसे नौजवान को निशान-ए-हैदर से नवाजा गया? Option D is correct. FD Lieutenant Rashid Minhas. महाराजा रंजीत सिंह रूल पंजाब फॉर। महाराजा रंजीत सिंह ने पंजाब पर कितने साल हुकूमत की? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट 40 ईयर। एन अलॉय कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ मेनली टिन एंड लेड इज कॉल्ड। टिन और लेड का जो अलॉय है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट सॉलिडर। In PowerPoint, the difference between slide design and auto content wizard is. Option C is correct. Slide design does not provide sample content, but auto content wizard provides sample content too. Who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan? Option C is correct. Mr. Justice Gulzar Ahmed. Karakoram Highway starts in Pakistan from. Option C is correct. Hassan Abdal. Microsoft Office is type of. Option B is correct. Application software. Arrangement of data in a logical sequence is known as. Option A is correct. Sorting. Who is the current Minister of Human Rights in Pakistan? Option B is correct. Dr. Shiri Mizari. Electrons was discovered by. Option C is correct. J.J. Thomson. In MS Office, Ctrl plus G is a shortcut of. Option A, open find and replace dialog box with activating go to tab. First Pakistan Olympic game were inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam at. Option B is correct. Karachi. बांगेदरा का अवलिन दबीचा लिखने का आज़ाज़ किसको हासिल है? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट शेख अब्दुल कादर। मृसिया किस ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट अरबी। मशहूर नावल राजा गिद्ध की मुसन्निफ़ा कौन है? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट बानो कुद्सिया। ओरिया को में बंद करने से क्या मुराद है? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट मुतसिल फाज में बड़ी तफसील को बयान करना।